We have this messy data and it contains blank rows, duplicate values, and misaligned columns and rows. So we need to make this data look cleaner and more presentable. So first of all, we need to, select the entire data and we'll press Control G, go to Special, select the blanks and click on OK. So all the blank rows have been selected. We'll do Control minus and we'll do entire row. Select the entire row and we'll press OK. So all the blank rows have been deleted. Now we need to delete the blank column as well. Now we'll select the all the data again and we'll do Alt H O A to adjust the row heights and we'll do Alt H O I to adjust the column width. Now we need to remove the duplicates value. So we'll do Alt AM, click on OK. Now you see 93 duplicates value found and removed. So we'll click on OK. So it has been the duplicates value, the duplicates item have been deleted. Now we need to, if you want to, convert the data into the table, so we can do Control T and press OK. You can choose any style you like this one, this. All right. So finally, this data have been cleaned and organized and ready to use. So if you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and follow for more tips. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.